Okay, this is our warm up for today because I think you guys can already do this without me talking about it. But we can start this together. What do you think is our first thing we have to do to solve for x? Subtract by 3. Yep. How do I get rid of a square root? Say it louder. Yep. Go ahead, square, and then finish the problem. Keep going for x. Talk to your partners next to you. See if you get the same solution. Okay, most of you guys got this. What was the answer? I think I got 16. Is that what everyone got? Okay, or 6? I just said 16 because none of you guys answered it. I couldn't hear them. Okay, so it is 6. So we got this side, we got x minus 2, we got rid of square root, equals 4. RJ, what's up? Okay? So x equals 6. That should have been our answer. So our first step was what? What did we first do? We subtracted by both sides. So we isolated one of the radicals. Okay, next step. What did we do to both of these sides of the equation? So we can also say we raised each side to the power of the index. What's the index of this side? Square root. Say a little louder. 2. Yep, there's a little 2 right there. So raise each side to the power of the index. And then we solved for x. Now there's one more thing we're going to have to look at today. Something new. Because I think you all pretty much got this down. If you didn't, we're going to keep doing it today. I'm waiting until you guys are all done writing, because this next bit is important. Elijah, do you agree with all my statements? Yeah? Yeah. Did you get 6 at the end when you reworked it? Yeah? Okay. So we need to check for extraneous, I can't even say this word, extraneous solutions. Has anyone heard of that before? Yeah? Thumbs up if you have, thumbs down if you haven't. It's totally fine if you haven't. I just want you guys to be honest. Yeah? Okay, so can someone give me the definition of it? Anyone feel confident? Okay. We're gonna talk about holes more tomorrow if we get to it. Okay. Keep this in mind. These are your steps. I know I like going from steps, but we're gonna do that. Next problem, I want you to try this one. Try 3x minus 2 equals x minus 4. And we're going to check for the solutions 2 different ways. And I want you guys to think about which way you like better. But just solve for x right now. First time we've already done here. Isolated one of the radicals. Tom, do your partner next to you. You're tripped up. Okay, what was my next step? What do we do first after we isolate the radical? Yes, thank you, Mark. Why the power of 2? Yep, great. So we got 3x minus 2 equals what? Minus 16. Did everyone get the same thing? I think it's plus. Yep. Let's. That should have been x minus 4 times x minus 4. I think we're forgetting something. So then x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16. I think you all forgot this little bit right there. This is not difference of squares, okay? Because it's both negative. Is that what you guys were trying to do, difference of squares? No? What did you guys get? Did you get this? Yeah? What happened to these middle numbers? X squared minus 8x plus 16. Yeah? Okay. So, negative 4 times negative 4 gives me a positive 16. So we got 3x minus 2 equals x squared minus 8x plus 16. What's tripping you up? This is what I got after I factored. After I FOILed. So I distributed. No, sadly not. Okay. What was our next step? Did we get this far in this problem? No? Okay, so go ahead and keep going. Talk to your partners next to you. I'm not used to a non-bell system, so I need a reminder. Okay, we're gonna keep going from here. I'm hoping that you all wrote this down and saw your mistake. What is my next step if I'm solving for x? Okay? Yes, combine like terms. So I have to move all these values over. Yeah. Thank you. I'm writing this really slow because I'm hoping you all gonna beat me to it. And then we get to factor. Lovely. Our favorite thing. What can I factor this to? Or into? Say it. Minus 2 and x. So, minus 9. Thank you. X minus 9. Yep. So what does x equal? 2 and 9. One of these solutions is actually not a solution. And there's two ways to check this. Two ways. Yep. Yeah, how do you know it's 2? You're disappointed, Michael. I don't know what that means. I need you to explain that a little bit more. Left or right side of the equation? Left. Are you plugging it in? Is that what you're doing? Okay. Well, if you were plugging it in, that's the algebra way to do it. So check. Plug in x values back into the equation. So I want to know if the equal sign is true on both ones. So let's start with the 9. Plugging in 9 for x on both sides. Is that statement true? Sebastian? No. You mean this? Yeah, no. Go back to the original formula. This one? Yeah, no. Gotta go back to the original. So maybe add the little word original. What do we get here? What was the other side? Yes. I hope you all got that. Now, what about when I put in 2 into the equation? This was 2. Mark, what do I get for the right side of the equation? We'll go step by step for this one. Okay. Kennedy, what is 3 times 2? 6 minus 2. What does that equal? 6 minus 2. 4 equals negative 2. What is the square root of 4? 2. Does 2 equal negative 2? I hope we all said no for that. No, they do not equal each other. So 2 is an extraneous solution. Extraneous. So the only solution for this equation is 9. We're going to talk a lot more about this tomorrow, and I'll show you the second way tomorrow. But this is the algebra approach. We don't have any homework. Very true.
City Hall's in here, just a heads up, starting today, my class will be open at lunchtime at 12:45. I need like 15 minutes of adult time with my peers and staff. All the kids are at meeting. 12:45 is when my door will be unlocked. Cool. I understand. After just reading that. So long. Jojo, thank you. Did you take that? You had that. Yeah, please do. Have a wonderful morning. What's your other way? Just out of curiosity. Yeah, reasonable. I like this way. I get quite a few treats today. But What? Okay.
Cheering for long.
Well, you got a question. Like, make him give it.